So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find Windows Update. Click on run. And now once you run this, you just want to follow through the steps that come up here, which are most applicable to your situation. So you can click on I can't download, install or uninstall an update. Follow through all these steps that come up here. You want to click on yes, and this should now fix your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. Now once that's been done, you want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health, and then click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you want to type in ipconfig /flush DNS, and then click on enter. And now for the last one, you want to type in netsh winsock reset, and then click on enter again. Now once you do all of this, you just want to restart your computer, and this should now fix your problem.